We'll demonstrate fishbone stitch. We can see there's a center line in leaf. First, come up from top. Take down about 1 stitch distance away. Let's start from left side. Come up close to this center stitch. Take down slightly right of center line. Move needle to upper right. Also, come up close to previous stitch. Take down slightly left of center line, creating a crossed shape. Let me demonstrate again. First, come up from left. Each time coming up must be close to previous. This way leaves no gaps. Stitched leaf veins will be dense. Return to right side. Take down slightly left of line, creating cross texture. Continue returning to top and come up. Take down. Following pattern, left up, right down, then right up, left down. Complete remaining pattern. When stitching, note, keep both sides symmetrical. Can't stitch here once. Then move next stitch here. That way, leaf will be unbalanced. When stitching, keep spacing consistent. Stitches alternate from left and right sides, creating texture with leaf veins. Its shape resembles fishbone, so we call it fishbone stitch. I usually use this stitch to stitch various sizes or different shaped leaves. Can create delicate leaf vein texture. Take down. Can see there's a small segment below. Here to stitch leaf stem. Move needle to segment end and come up. Upward at second to last row of leaf vein. Take down at this position. Now leaf is complete. Let's see the overall finished effect.